Today, I'm making a tasty cinnamon coffee cake. Welcome to White Shadow Fare. Make it homemade and make it with love. Decide whether you're going to use pecans, walnuts, or nothing. But if you're going to use nuts, make sure that you have a half a cup chopped and toasted. Once they're toasted, put them off to the side. Grease well and flour your Bundt or tube pan. Now I chose to use a tube pan, and I always use a parchment round at the bottom of it by tracing the bottom of the tube pan and cutting it out to make it fit perfectly. One cup very soft butter, 2 cups granulated sugar, 4 room temperature eggs. Add them one at a time. Mix in between each addition. Two teaspoons vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon each baking soda and salt. You're going to add 3 cups of flour and 2 cups of sour cream. Alternate in between each, adding a little at each time. And when everything is fully incorporated, you're done with your batter. The sour cream makes this an extremely light and moist cake. The cinnamon layer is a half a cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, and those toasted nuts. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 1 hour. Make sure that a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Then let it sit and cool for 20 minutes before removing it from the pan. As with all good coffee cakes, they're not actually made with coffee. They're made thinking that they taste great with coffee. So grab a cup of tea, grab a cup of coffee, and enjoy a slice of tasty cinnamon coffee cake. This is a scrumptious cake that will be adored by anybody, whether it is for a dessert, have a special brunch, or just even breakfast. I hope you'll give this one a try. If you haven't already done so, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching White Shadow Fare.